Attention! Seems that we have some flying object in circle 54. Flying object. Please identify yourself. I repeat, please identify yourself. Flying object, please identify yourself. Hey, it just disappeared? Not visible anymore. Emergency level 3. Emergency level 3.
Da, vi ćete mene pratiti radarima.
Mr. President, here is Agent 0010.
Well, ask him what he wants.
He says it's a secret.
Okay, let him in.
Hello, Mr. President.
Hello, young man. How were your travels?
Very good.
You seem very capable. I want to know how you avoided our radar.
That's my secret.
Let me see where the shipment is going to be sent. Hello, Sir Paul. How is weather on the island?
Well, it's UK. Okay.
I have a little nervous finger problem, and I want to send you something by way of Agent 0010.
10? We only count to 7. Who is it? I will ask James.
No, let James rest. This young man is very reliable.
What do I need your button for? I have it few. Please, ask Miss Moneyhoney.
It's tempting, of course. And you're very kind, mister. But unfortunately, I can't. I can't decide such a thing myself. Let me think. I have to ask Queen Mother, George, Albert, me lords, and Sir Winston, and of course Elizabeth and Philip. Let's not forget, certainly, 150 prime ministers. Dear Lord, this will take time. So you see, what you will do, I don't care.
I have nervous fingers. I know. I'll send this button to the Balkans.
To Balkans? Why?
That always works. Mr. Dodo, please take this and be very careful. I'll put in this briefcase. Now I will give you this special package.
Okay, I will do it.